Namaste, and today we have come up with a new report on how this 3-week lockdown was effective. Let's have a look.
3 weeks after lockdown was announced, the rate of growth of new COVID-19 cases had come down in India. Among 25 worst hit countries, 16 have been under lockdown like India for at least 3 weeks. Comparing these nations with India, India showed progress in tackling the coronavirus outbreak. After 3 weeks of lockdown, India sees decline in daily new cases. According to a report, among the 16 worst hit countries, India had the 7th highest average daily increase in cases. In the week before lockdown, India's average daily increase was 21.6%. But during lockdown, however, the rate of growth fell 6 percentage points to 15.7%. Among major states, Kerala made the biggest gain in COVID-19 fight, as the rate of new infections during lockdown is the slowest for Kerala. Among states that have over 50 cases, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Telangana and Karnataka were among the states that have slowed down the rate. Now let's talk about what happened to countries that did not impose lockdown. Among 25 worst hit countries, 4 did not implement a lockdown. 2 of these were South Korea and Sweden, who managed to keep the rate of new infection stable from the week leading to when India applied its lockdown to 3 weeks. But 3 weeks later, when the first phase of India's lockdown ended, Japan's infection rate had increased. Turkey's rate looks to have reduced dramatically, but there was huge increase in absolute terms because of much bigger base. It had 47 cases 7 days before India's lockdown and had a case load of more than 61,000 now. Now the question is, where could India go from here? Countries that had a similar rate to India saw considerable decline into 2 weeks after reaching 10,000 cases. An analysis of countries that have crossed 10,000 cases at least 2 weeks ago shows that India will have to further reduce its infection rate. For example, Switzerland reduced its daily average increase in cases to 5.8% into 2 weeks after reaching 10,000 cases. But if India continues at its current rate, the upcoming condition can be pathetic. This means if India manages to reduce its growth rate at this level, the cases can be restricted. And this is possible only by maintaining social distance. And that's why lockdown has been extended till 3 May.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.